how to check the eligibility of your bachelor's, master's or PhD degree on Anabin website to apply for your Germany opportunity card. This is the topic of today. If you want to apply for Germany opportunity card, first step is to check the eligibility of your degree. If your degree is H+, directly using that degree, you can apply for Germany opportunity card. You just require to add a blocked account of 13,000 euros and your degree is recognized. Directly using these two things, you can apply for Germany opportunity card. Really fast, really quick, and you can just directly submit application. You don't require IELTS test. You don't require any other English test or any German test. Nothing is required. Just degree should be eligible as H+, and 13,000 euros are there. If both these things are there, you can directly apply for it. You can have multiple degrees. If you have just bachelor's degree and if it is H+, use it to apply for Germany opportunity card. If it is not H+, but you have a master's degree which is H+ on Anabin, then you can use your master's degree to apply for Germany opportunity card. If you have done a PhD degree, your master is not recognized, your bachelor is not recognized, but you have a PhD degree. If it is recognized as H+, in that case you can use PhD to apply for Germany opportunity card. If all of your degrees are recognized as H+, then you can use all of your degree to apply for Germany opportunity card. So either the bachelor degree is required or the highest degree is required to apply for Germany opportunity card. So first step is to check whether on Anabin website if it is H+ or not. If it is not H+, in that case there is a separate process JAB. We are going to discuss it in different video. In this video, I am going to display how you can quickly check whether your degree is recognized as H+ or not. It is usually going to take 1 to 2 minutes to see whether your degree is recognized or not, but because I am making this video explaining everything, I may take 10 minutes of time to explain everything. But if you are going to check it yourself, in that case, it is just a few clicks and you will be able to see whether you are eligible to apply for Germany opportunity card or not. So first thing first, you need to search for Anabin website, write Anabin. It is going to be there. First link, click on it. After clicking, you are going to see this particular dashboard. This is the homepage of Anabin website. If language is not English, if it is automatically converted in English, great. If it is not converted, here you can convert it into English and then you will be able to read the information. Otherwise, information is going to be in German language. We are going to use only two tabs here. One is the institution. This is the first tab we are going to use. Second is university degree. This is the second tab we are going to use. If our institution is H+, then all the degrees in that institution are H+. You can use your degree to apply for Germany opportunity card. Then we need to, just for formality, we need to check whether the degree is there in this list or not. That's it. Almost all the degrees are there in list. No need to worry about it. If it is H+, 99%, it is going to be there in this list as well. So 99% you can apply for Germany opportunity card. But anyway, you need to have recognition of both these things. If both the things are done, you can use these two screenshots and information to apply for Germany opportunity card, attach it in your information sheet and you can submit along with your application, and visa officer will be able to see that your degree is recognized on Anabin and you are eligible to apply for Germany opportunity card. There won't be any problem. So what are the steps we need to take? First step is we need to click on institution. This is the first tab which we need to open. In first tab, searching for the institution, you need to write the name of the country. So I am in India, so I have searched for India. So if I search for India without writing the name of any university here, it is going to give me the list of all the universities in India. But if I want to search for a particular university, because I am not worried about all the universities in India, I am writing just one university which is a public university, NAC A+ grade. It is Kurukshetra University. So I am interested in this particular university. So I wrote the word Kurukshetra here in the institution. Click on search bar here and here I am going to get the results. So I got Kurukshetra University here. I got two more universities here with the name, with the word Kurukshetra. One is NIT Kurukshetra and second is Chaudhry Ranbir Singh University, but they have some kind of tie-up with Kurukshetra University. So these three universities are there. I am interested in Kurukshetra University only, and this university is a state university. It is H+, great. All the degrees in Kurukshetra universities are eligible to apply for Germany opportunity card. Any degree. If you have done a bachelor's degree, master's degree, whatever you have done, PhD, whatever you have done, you can use that degree to apply for Germany opportunity card. If it is not H+, in that case, it will be H-, H+-. In that case, you can't use that degree directly. Okay. So this I search for Kurukshetra University. But if you click here on Kurukshetra University, this pop-up window is going to open. Here also, it is mentioned as H+, other information of Kurukshetra University are given here, so you can check other information of the university as well. Then I wanted to search for my university, which is a private university. It is Maharshi Markandeshwar University. So when I search for it, I just wrote the name Maharshi there. All the universities with the word Maharshi, they pop up, and then I am able to see my university, Maharshi Markandeshwar University, Mulana, Ambala. This is my university. It is also H+. So many people think that only public universities are going to be recognized as H+. No, Lovely Professional University can also be there. MET University can also be. All top universities are going to be there in this list. So if your university, whether it is public or private, if it is H+, you can use the degree to apply for Germany Opportunity Card. There are other universities as well. So Maharshi Markandeshwar University, it is Sadhopur, Ambala. Here I have worked as assistant professor there. So it is also a private university. It is also H+, great, awesome. And Solan is there. It is also H+, awesome, great. So there are other universities as well. Maharshi Arvind University, it is H+-. So you can't use the degree of Maharshi Arvind University, which is in Jaipur, Rajasthan. You can't use it to apply for Germany Opportunity Card until unless you do a ZAB for your degree. If you do a ZAB and get the recognition of H+, then you can use it. Otherwise, directly without ZAB, you can't use the degree to apply for Germany Opportunity Card. Then Maharshi Mahesh Yogi Vedic Vishwavidyalaya, it is there. It is also H+. So you can check here whether your university is there in the list or not, first of all, and then whether it is H+ or not. If it is H+, your process is quite fast track, and directly using the screenshot of this website, you can apply for Germany Opportunity Card. You don't require to wait for ZAB, which is going to take 2 to 3 months of time and 18,000-20,000 rupees as well. So it is a costly, time-taking process, unnecessary. So if the degree is there, H+, you are good to go for Germany Opportunity Card. You can click on Maharshi Markandeshwar University or any of the universities, and here also you can check it is H+, and other information about the universities are also given. What is H+, H- and H+? H+, if they consider that your university is old and they are highly recognized, highly valued, similar in German universities, similar to German universities, all the degrees are on equivalent level, institute is on equivalent level, they have similar kind of research and infrastructure, everything is similar, then they are considered as H+. If any university is there in our country, it is considered as a university. Maybe Om Sterling, there are so many other universities are there. They are university in India, but Germany does not consider them as a proper university. They consider them, oh, this is a low valued university. We are not going to give them recognition of H+ or anything. They are H-. We don't recognize them at all, nothing. Then H+-, if few of the degrees are H+, few are H-, then they are considered under H+-. If you are in H++, then you can send your degree for ZAB, and here if you are in H-, don't even try to send it for ZAB because they don't even recognize the institution. But if it is H+-, then your university, your degree can get a recognition of H+ as well. So try, give it a try by doing a ZAB. If you get the H+ recognition, then also you can use the degree to apply for Germany Opportunity Card. H-, then just forget about it. That degree cannot be used for Germany Opportunity Card. You are not going to get the equivalency of H+ from H- institute. It is not going to happen. Next, what we need to check? Second thing, second tab which we need to do. First was institution. I have already made it clear to you. It needs to be H+. Anything else is almost waste. Institution, after institution, second thing is to check university degree. Here, if your degree, name of the degree is there in this list, in that case you are good to go. Most of the degrees are there in this list. If I search only for India, all the degrees, names of the degrees in India are going to be there in the list. So here you can see bachelor, so many bachelors are there, and there are so many tabs as well. So there are going to be hundreds of degrees which are recognized in India. Okay, and it is not related to any particular university. Bachelor of Architecture in any university in India is recognized. If the university is H+, you can use Bachelor of Architecture to apply for Germany Opportunity Card. Bachelor of Arts, again, this is also one more question. We have done Bachelor of Arts. Can I use it for Germany Opportunity Card? The answer is yes. You can use it because it is there in the list. And if it is done from maybe, for example, Kurukshetra University, KUK, or NIT, or Maharshi Markandeshwar University, NIT may not have Bachelor of Arts, but anyway, it's just an example. You have done it from MMU, that is my university, Bachelor of Arts. So if the university is H plus, degree is given in the list, you are good to apply. It does not matter what kind of degree you have completed, whether it is BBA, whether it is Bachelor of Commerce, Bachelor of Computer Application, Dental Surgery, all the list is given. So, but if you want to check particularly about your degree, I have done Bachelor of Technology. So Bachelor of Technology, I have searched in India whether it is recognized or not. It is there in the list. This is on second number in the list. So yes, my degree is also recognized. I can also apply for Germany opportunity card. So you need to check two things: H plus, university, and degree in the list. Most of the degrees are there in the list, so you can just forget about it. If it is done from H plus university, it is going to be recognized and you can apply for Germany opportunity card using that. If I click on Bachelor of Technology, these type of things pop up. 4 year of degree, yes. And then one more thing here it is mentioned, it is important to understand. If it is a distance learning, then it becomes a problem. You are going to get ADR to prove that. ADR means additional document request to prove that you have done a degree in regular mode rather than a distance mode and in full time. So get a certificate, get a letter from the university that you completed the degree regularly rather than in distance mode. Most of the cases we submit this letter from the university along with the application so that visa officer do not give us ADR considering that we have done a distance degree, and visa officer may think that because you have done a distance degree, we are not going to make you eligible to apply for Germany opportunity card. So always try to attach this additional letter that you have done the degree in regular mode rather than in distance mode. You can search for more degrees as well. Bachelor of Commerce. So we have found Bachelor of Commerce as well. Again, your degree is recognized. So most of the degrees, Bachelor of Art, Commerce, Technology, Architecture, most of the degrees are recognized. So university is H plus, degree is given in the list. In that case, you are eligible to apply for Germany opportunity card directly. So have 30,000 euros. 13,000 euros, you are going to get back these 13,000 euros, 1,100 euros per month you will get back. So ultimately, you'll get back the entire 13,000 euros. So these are your savings in Germany, not the expense. Expense is going to be just 3,000 euros only, including flight, including everything, including my expense, everything, flight, shopping, everything including. Just the expense is 3,000 euro. In very less cost, you can reach Germany. If you have this money to show, keep it for 1 year. And after landing in Germany, you will keep getting this money back for your living expenses, and you can work part-time there as well to earn for your living expenses, and you will be able to save these 1,100 euros per month or 13,000 euros, and you can send this money back if you want. So this is also possible. So if you have this kind of money available, if your degree is recognized, apply for Germany opportunity card. Very low cost option to reach Germany. If you also want to know all the details about Germany opportunity card, this is the video, must watch it. It has all the details about Germany opportunity card. And if you want to apply with me, want to discuss your case, you can ping me on these WhatsApp numbers. Please note them, save them, and you can discuss your case with me. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in next video.